guys, this is me, Shankar here. Today we're gonna make a really big fish, has a hard head. And there's a really interesting thing. This has spikes. Careful, he's gonna hurt. You see these? The eyes are really big. See?
Ready?
What's the smell?
Good?
He's different than reefer ones.
Good.
Be
careful, okay?
I told you.
Don't touch your
Really, dude. Ready, go. First, you're gonna cut the parts.
Okay, you help it.
Yeah. Come right straight into it. And cut. Go, go, go. What is that? It's really disgusting inside here. Oh. Hey, that's your has a really giant hard head.
It's a giant fish with a hard head. When you touch it, it's hard. Esse peixe é muito duro. É isso. Você vir pra lá, olha, é isso.
Look at this. I have an idea. Look. What? Put inside. How about in yellow ones?
Yeah?
How about in yellow? Put right on.
Is this so cool?
It's a tempero. It's a fish. It has a real hard head. It's this one.
But I found really suspicious fish fossil in here. It's gonna.
Oh my goodness.
No?
Yeah!
Yay! I hope you enjoy. Click this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!